We recently ran a giveaway to those who shared their story of how they were able to kick smoking to the curb. We greatly appreciated every story we read. We applaud everyone who is able to beat their deadly addiction. Your stories are inspirational to others who are going through the same thing you were. We're happy to announce this month's winner, KEVIN DAWE. Kevin's testimonial was, I am 38 years old and I began smoking when I was just 11 years old. Approximately 10 years ago, I began my vaping lifestyle and even tried to sell e-cigarettes door to door because I found I could stop smoking by vaping instead. The logic was clear in my mind: liquid, vapor, pure nicotine, and no carbon monoxide. The science wasn't in yet, but it made sense to me and my personal experience solidified my feelings about it. Fast forward to 2014, my father was waking up every day, coughing and wheezing from a 50-year-old smoking habit, and my mother asked me to coach him through the experience of switching, after many other failed attempts to quit with patches and pills. He stopped smoking on the 20th of September, the very same day he got his first vape. He still vapes, but has very little nicotine. It's more for the physical habit rather than the addiction. Just after 2 weeks of switching from smokes to a vape, his morning hack and coughing fits were gone forever. Kevin also states, vaping saved my father and my life. We don't question seatbelts or cycling helmets, as both help save lives. Neither are without risk. So why do we keep having to question vaping? Kevin continues this by saying, Ruthless e-liquid is tested for toxins and it's made to market-leading standards. I find myself back at that logical place again. Why do people even smoke? Thank you, Kevin, for sharing your inspiring story. Remember to keep sending us your testimonials on our website. We'll put a link in the description below. Remember, your story could change a life. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Miko from Ruthless Vapor. Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe.